You try this one. If you want after teenage, you use coloring your hair like this. And not enough old. Hilig ako spray net. Yung spray net ko noon ay mga mahal. Kaya, yun para ng Amerikanong hilaw. Oh, may dugo akong Spanish. Kaya, ito na yung resulta. Sa lolo ko may dugo akong Spanish. Iba lang yung mukha ko. Ilong. Tapos ang magandang mukha ko noon. Pula-pula yung ko, mukha. Kinagigiliwan ako ng mga kaklase ko noon. Just try to coloring your hair. If you at teenage, just you coloring this one. If you're not old enough. But for me, I don't want to go to a parlor. I do myself just want to coloring my hair. At that time, we passed away. My negosyo of my parents as one day parlor. Some of the student magpagupit ng kanilang buhok at saka magpakulot at saka gupit ng army cut. So that's why I need this one to coloring. If you want not old enough or a teenage, just do this one. My lola is using the coloring of her, and so very beautiful my lola, and so very arty. Kaya ginagayo ko ang kanyang kilos. Kaya to mag-color ng hair ko. Lola ko noon isang mananahi. Ang negosyo na parents ko isang mananahi. Iba't ibang klaseng tahiin. At saka alagad ng Panginoon. Katolik. Sa Katolik Romano. Ang lahi ng lola ko ay isang Cebuano. Ilocano. Litenon. Alam yung Litenon? Leyte. Ay, kaliwatan ng Leyte.